Okay, thank you everyone for the opportunity for our team to introduce our task journal named Analysis of the Influence of Leadership Style, Motivation, and Organizational Culture on the Performance of the Cadet Senate Board of the Jakarta Polytechnic University of Fisheries. In this journal, we have team named me as a first name, Walian Maimun Akadiri, and Mas Roy Purato Aini as a second name in our journal. And what about analysis of the effects of leadership style, motivation, and organizational culture on job certification? Case study on Senat officers of Taruna Polytechnic AUP Jakarta Fisheries University will be presentations next with Mas Roy Purato Ainin.
Okay, thank you for Mas Walian. An introduction. Leadership style is one of the important factors that leaders need to have to achieve organizational success, because with a leadership style, leaders can direct and influence their employees. Organizational leaders who have a leadership style must also be able to pay attention to employee job satisfaction, so that employees can be motivated to achieve the goals set by the organization. Baiko et al. 2015 in their research suggests that transformational and transactional leadership styles have a significant effect on job satisfaction. Therefore, we conduct a study on analysis of the effect of leadership style, motivation, and organizational culture on job satisfaction. Case study on Senate officer of Taruna Politik AUP Jakarta. Next. And literature review and hypothesis development. Theoretical framework. Literature review. Leadership plays a vital and central role in an organization. Without it, the organization will not achieve and increase its progress. Based on several definitions, it can be concluded that leadership requires the creation and competence of a person, leader, to change the potential of individual and or group into high performance in an organization. As someone who have power, ideally leaders need to have and use power appropriately. Transactional leadership emphasizes transaction between leaders and subordinate based on the process of economically valuable exchange relationship. And then theoretical framework. Based on the theoretical study, the theoretical framework of the influence of leadership style and motivation on job satisfaction can be described as in figure. And then hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, transformational leadership style has a significantly greater effect on job satisfaction than transactional leadership style. And hypothesis 2, there is an effect of transformational leadership style on job satisfaction moderate by achievement motivation. Hypothesis 3, there is an effect of transformational leadership style on job satisfaction moderate by affiliation motivation. And finally, hypothesis 4, there is an effect of interfunctional leadership style on job satisfaction moderate by power motivation. And present next, Mas Walian. Method. This research is a survey research with the object of the Cadet Senate Management at Polytechnic of Jakarta. The study population amount to 404 who had served for at least 1 year as Cadet Senate Administrator. A sample of 100 people was taken. Proportional random sampling technique. Measurement of leadership variable with MLQ, version BM, and BG. Motivation was measured with a questionnaire developed by Loser. Job satisfaction is measured by the MSQ version of the questionnaire. The primary data source is the administrative Cadet Senate Management with a questionnaire score using a 5-point Likert scale. Secondary data source confirm document from the archive of the Tarunasnet of the AUP Polytechnic Jakarta. Data analysis was conducted using descriptive analysis and inductive analysis. Inductive data analysis technique using multiple linear regression analysis. Research and discussion will explain for Mas Walian.
Okay, thank you, Mas Roy, for your presentation of our journal. And next, I will go on with the result of the research from our journal. Okay, next slide. Okay, result and discussion. From the test result of validity on parameters of these parameters, we can see the results show that there is a difference between the two methods. The first method is the transactional leadership style and transactional leadership style. The methods show us that there is a difference between the two methods we use. And next parameter, second parameter is motivation. Same as before, this parameter show us there is a difference between the two methods we use in our research. And on job certification parameters too, and head of section parameters too. The hypothesis result of data analysis show that there is a difference between two methods we use. And the consolations of our research in this journal is first, transactional leadership style and transactional leadership style both partially and jointly have a significant effect on job certification for head and deputy heads. The result can we see on our journal before and our research in our journal. In the constellation, can show too the influence of the transactional leadership style is greater than that of transactional leadership. Third, achievement motivation variables, affiliation motivation, and power motivation partially moderate the influence of transactional leadership style on job certification for both Kabat and Kabit on the team. The coefficient is positive, meaning that the cadet senat managed with the high motivation is greater to moderate the influence of transactional leadership style on job certification that the cadet senat managed with low motivation. Fourth, the fourth constellation is only the power motivation variable moderates the effect of transactional leadership style on job certification with positive coefficient. And the implementation of our research journal is leaders need to always master and apply various leadership style, especially transactional leadership style, without neglecting their combination with other leadership style. This can be achieved for the use of training or training program opportunities both at the agency expense and their own. Motivation to always learn should be made so that knowledge and experience continue to increase by reading books, articles, magazines, the internet news, and so on many news. The transactional leadership style should be more aimed at the senat cadet management with high motivation, while the transactional leadership style is more aimed at the Senat Cadet Polytechnic AUP. It is also necessary to understand and apply concept, theories, and result to studies on work motivation. This is not only to find ways to build work motivation, but also to increase self-motivation in motivating subordinate in work team. A number of training are important to follow, expanding the scope and depth of research variable, both leadership style, job certification, and motivation. The issues of leadership style should be described more subtly according to its dimension, such as the level of understanding of the Cadet Senat Polytechnic AUP management of the leadership style. Moderator variable can be added with individual character such as personality, attitude, and conflict as well as culture and family background. And thank you for your attention of our presentation in our research journal. And the analysis of the influence of leadership style, motivation, and organization culture on the performance of the Cadet Senat Board of Jakarta Polytechnic University by Walian Maimun Al-Qadiri and Roy Kuratu Ainin. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next opportunity. Thank you.